Hello, I'm Celine. Welcome to Mutfak Asistane. Today I have another delicious recipe for you. If you're ready, let's get started. Today we are making whole wheat avocado toast. If you choose the ingredients carefully, it becomes both more nutritious and more delicious. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We will use whole wheat bread, a ripe avocado, a bit of olive oil, lemon, salt, and black pepper. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and mash it well with a fork. This way you get a creamy texture that is very easy to spread. Now we toast the bread. A light toasting is enough. This way it becomes tastier and doesn't fall apart when you spread the avocado. Spread the mashed avocado on the bread using the back of a knife. It's important to spread it evenly so every bite gives you the same creamy texture. If you want the bread to stay crispy, let your toast rest on the plate for a minute or two. This little pause keeps the crunchy texture. In this first video, you may have noticed the outfits changing between scenes. Our next videos will be much more consistent and smooth. Thank you for your patience and support. Enjoy your meal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.